How can I fix a car's engine after putting the wrong type of fuel into the gas tank?
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing a common issue that many car owners face: putting the wrong type of fuel into the gas tank. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. But it's essential to address this problem promptly to avoid any potential damage to your car's engine. So, let's dive right in and learn how to fix a car's engine after putting the wrong type of fuel.
What to do immediately?
The first thing you should do when you realize you've put the wrong type of fuel in your car is to stop driving. Continuing to drive with the wrong fuel can lead to further complications. Once you've safely stopped, turn off the engine to prevent any damage from occurring.
Seek professional help.
Fixing a car's engine after using the wrong fuel can be a complex task, so it's advisable to seek professional help. Towing your car to a trusted mechanic or contacting a roadside assistance service would be the best course of action. They have the expertise and the necessary equipment to handle this situation efficiently.
Fuel system drainage.
One of the common methods used by mechanics to fix a car's engine after the wrong type of fuel has been used is through a process called fuel system drainage. This involves removing the contaminated fuel from the tank, fuel lines, and other components. The mechanic will likely flush the system thoroughly to ensure no residue of the wrong fuel remains.
Fuel filter replacement.
Another crucial step in fixing a car's engine after the wrong fuel has been used is replacing the fuel filter. The fuel filter is responsible for filtering out impurities and contaminants from the fuel before it reaches the engine. Since the wrong fuel can introduce foreign substances into the system, replacing the fuel filter is necessary to prevent any potential issues down the line.
Engine inspection and testing.
After the fuel system has been drained and the fuel filter replaced, it's important to conduct a comprehensive engine inspection and testing. The mechanic will examine various components, such as the injectors, spark plugs, and sensors, to ensure they haven't been damaged by the wrong fuel. They may also perform diagnostic tests to assess the overall health of the engine.
Preventive measures.
To prevent this situation from happening again, it's essential to take some preventive measures. Always double-check the fuel type before refueling your car and make sure you're using the correct fuel recommended by the manufacturer. Additionally, it's a good practice to be aware of the fueling process and avoid distractions to minimize the chances of making the same mistake in the future. And that wraps up our video on how to fix a car's engine after putting the wrong type of fuel. Remember, if this happens to you, stay calm and take the necessary steps to address the issue promptly. Seeking professional help, performing fuel system drainage, replacing the fuel filter, and conducting an engine inspection are crucial steps in resolving the problem. By following these guidelines and taking preventive measures, you'll be able to get your car back on the road in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.